Can I say man, ten let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm boast.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. This is the second part of the video. We are now putting in the HONDATA into my 21 Type R. So yeah, it's been a long day, but hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. Let me show y'all what's going on. So we're gonna put the HONDATA into the Type R today, and also Gino, who's right there working on the laptop, finishing up the mapping. Actually, he is going to be putting the custom tune onto the HONDATA. So he's very good with HONDATA, how it all works and everything. He doesn't he doesn't mess with the fuel or anything like that, but he does know a lot of the mapping parameters, everything like that. So definitely have full 100% confidence in Gino. He hasn't blown up a car yet, and a lot of people come to him for his tune, so definitely worth it. And we're going to be doing that today. So Gino, you are the primary one in the video. Want to say what's up, man?
Hey, how's it going, guys?
And I was just explaining to the channel that you are putting your own custom tune onto this car, right?
Yep.
Like I was saying, that you don't mess with the fuel or anything like that, but you do know like the basic and advanced parameters of it and stuff, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So people, you guys have actually, turn the camera around, have actually come to Gino when they've already had custom tunes from elsewhere, and Gino has put his final touches, his own touches I should say, onto that tune. So obviously he knows exactly what he's doing. He's very coordinated, he's very thorough with everything. So don't worry, my car's not going to blow up from the HONDATA. It's not running a base map, it's not even going to touch it. It's literally going to have a custom tune from the jump. So that's what we're doing today. Just want everybody to be informed about that. Turn the camera back around. Just plugging the jailbreaker in, right?
Yep.
Is that what it is?
Yep.
Yep, jailbreaker.
The cam tool.
Cam tool. While he's doing that, on the previous video you guys saw that it had the PTP turbo blanket, can't say that word all the time, installed, and also the Mishimoto oil cooler. So both of those are on the car now, and we also put the heat shield back on over the blanket to give it the IAT's 10 degrees cooler. So that's going to be dope, and it's really going to run efficiently, and it's obviously going to be a lot quicker. You know, it's going to be a big change for sure. We didn't mess with like the fuel or anything, but we are messing with the throttle mapping and stuff like that. So that's why Gino is the expert with this. Everybody comes to him for the HONDATA. So got the laptop set up right there. I also brought my laptop, and we're just going to transfer the file. Correct, Gino?
Yep.
All right. There it goes. It's working. You guys can't see the screen exactly, but it's there.
Need the order number from your order. 17.
Let me get it for you real quick. There it is.
We're done.
I was just giving the order number for the 20 to 21 Type R's. You have to pay that $250 to give it the unlock capability, and that's what he's doing. He's just mapping the HONDATA to the ECU. Did I get that right, Gino? Yeah. Because it's going to lock it in place, right? Yeah.
two different processes. First, you have to jailbreak it, which requires your order code or your order number, and then you have to lock the Flash Pro to the ECU in order to push the file.
Okay. All right, you guys heard what Gino said, two different processes. So we'll have to lock my VIN number to the HONDATA, and that's what that $250 thing does. I don't really understand it, but the way Gino explains it, it makes sense. So then we have to use the jailbreaker to allow the ECU to be unlocked. Is that correct, Gino?
Yes.
Okay. So it is, like you said, two different processes. I would recommend having somebody that knows HONDATA do this, because if you mess up your VIN number, that's it. You got to pay another 250 bucks again, you know what I mean, with HONDATA. So don't do that. Make sure it's exact, make sure it's precise, and yeah, that's how it works. HONDATA is crazy, but that's how it works. So.
Jack your business.
There's Brent. Jack. The Jack, man. Jack. Jack.
That shit was funny.
Brent, what are you doing on your car? You're doing the blanket?
Lights.
Lights, that's right.
I'm not doing the blanket until I get the downpipe blanket.
Gotcha. Which I'm not even gonna do.
All right, we're pushing.
Pushing?
Yep.
Nice. All right, let me show you guys what's going on here. Looks like it's working here. There's the HONDATA right there. You guys can see it. All right, there's the laptop. HONDATA's working right now. It's going through all the lights. Sick, yeah. There it is, Flash Pro. So yeah. All right, sorry I'm moving the camera around. I'm just trying to talk to you guys. So we're gonna come back, and once I come back, we're gonna see how the car performs and everything like that. We'll go for a drive, etc. But we have to load the map onto the HONDATA, which Gino has over there in the laptop. So yeah, it'll be fun, y'all. Much love. All right, I'm talking to the mic, but we're back. Gino is just hiding the wires right now, and the Flash Pro is right there where I'm pointing. You guys can see it sticking out there, the little gray thing. Let me get another thing on it quick. There we go. Right there, you guys see it? There you go, right there. So that's where Gino's gonna be hiding it. And I guess we don't use the Flash Pro to switch maps from what I understood. I thought we did, but Gino's saying you just do it off the laptop.
No, most people don't. Most people typically don't run two separate configs.
Just one config at a time.
At least not that I've ran into.
Right. But technically you could store up to two different config
Yes.
names. Right, I got you. Makes sense. Alright, so while he's doing that, just want to check back with you guys. We're just hiding the wires right now into the console, and as you can see, the HONDATA was pushed up in there, so it's going to be very clean once it's done. I'll show you guys that once it's done. Alright, so I'm going to help him tuck the wires in, and I'll be back with you guys. Much love. Alright guys, welcome back. We're doing the drive now on the Hondata. Shout out to Gino for hooking everything up. Right? He gave me the thumbs up. He's holding the cam. There we go.
Yeah, I got you.
All right, so here we go. In the rain. It starts up in our plus mode. That way. Gotta get over the speed bumps here, you guys, but where should I test it at, Gino?
Just drive.
Just normal drive. Oh,
That way.
no, it's this way. What's that sound? It's just a different...
What sound?
Sounds like the engine sounds different right there. The whining.
K-band.
Do you hear it?
K-band.
I'm not.
Taking the freeway, you think?
X-band.
Sure. You're not getting any codes or anything like that, so if you don't want to worry about it, it's up to you.
Yeah.
K-band.
Gotta do it though, I know. Just wish it wasn't raining this hard, you know. Yeah, guys, it's raining pretty hard out here in AZ. There's a lot of water on the road. So we're gonna try to, you know, get some power out of it, but also take it easy, you know what I mean? So we'll see what happens. Also cleared the codes, you guys, with the OBD scanner. It also cleared the codes, so that's why we don't have the code showing up on the dash right now. Honda is in. Feels great, you know. Feels good, dude. Feels really good. I just wish we can actually test it, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna like jeopardize your life or mine, you know. So, because right now traction would be an issue. So, rain all over the car. Shitty day. But yeah, you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button as always. And until next time, shout out to Gino thank you for holding the cam while driving. And there's a thumbs up. Much love and blessings to everybody. And yeah, be back with you guys in a little bit. Till next video, next time, Skylyfe Projects, we out.
Team, only things we talk about, money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win, posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me, like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounding. Fill my cup up for the one.